Hi, this is Dan with Chevrolet of Everett, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a fob battery that has died in your fob. A little button on the side, press the button and pull out the key. Take a regular flathead screwdriver of a normal size, insert it into the slot and twist, and it'll pop apart. You can take the screwdriver and just work your way around until it comes loose enough to separate it, in which case it exposes that battery. I like to use a smaller screwdriver just to pop out that battery. Grab your new battery and it pops in just the same way the other one came out until it snaps. Put your fob pieces together, squeeze until it snaps together. And you can take your key, slide it back in until it snaps and locks in place, and that's it. There you go, guys. That's how you change out a dead battery. Don't forget to like and subscribe.